Hey guys, I'm Rich from NeoWin, and today we're unboxing the Skagen Jorn Hybrid HR smartwatch. Okay, so I'm not super familiar with hybrid smartwatches. This is going to be somewhat new territory for me. I reviewed plenty of regular smartwatches, right? Apple Watch, plenty of a variety of Wear OS watches, Huawei's Watch GT series, Samsung's Galaxy Watch Active 2. So I'm familiar with all the smartwatch ecosystems. Hybrid, it's a little bit different. So Skagen is a Fossil brand. Now, Fossil has many brands. Fossil has the Fossil brand, Skagen, Armani, Michael Kors, Kate Spade. There's a whole lot of them. So that's pretty cool. To me, it's pretty cool because you have like chargers that are all kind of compatible with each other. But this interests me. It's not Wear OS. There's an e-ink display. It's got a heart rate sensor, which is where the HR comes from in the name, and that's true of pretty much any smartwatch product. Heart rate tracking, wellness tracking, which is regular old fitness tracking. It is a different. Is it a different charger? It's not a different charger. I don't know. No, it is a different charger than a regular old Fossil smartwatch, which is kind of disappointing. I always appreciate that kind of continuity between devices. Over 2 weeks of battery life, which is really impressive because other than Huawei's Watch GT devices that I just mentioned, having over 2 weeks of battery life is just unheard of in smartwatches. Anything beyond that, you're looking at 2 or 3. Anything beyond the Watch GT, you're looking at 2 or 3 days. So that's where hybrid really comes in. And hybrid is it's a very, I'm gonna say it's a broad category with a variety of different. The whole smartwatch category has a very wide variety of options because it's a very personal type of device, and what you need these things to do. You want the design to look like, that's all up to you. So let's see. Oh, there's something else. I don't know. I just put that back in the box. There's if you look at the only other hybrid I've reviewed was like a Casio G-Shock, and that I don't even know if it had a screen, but it had fitness tracking and stuff, which you could pair to your smartphone, and so you would get all that information from your smartphone. And then now there's other ones that I've seen where it's literally just you have regular hands like you would see on a regular analog watch, but then underneath those hands it was just an AMOLED display that ran Wear OS. So there's a variety of stuff here. All right, so here you have it. Now, there's a couple reasons you might want something like this. One is obviously battery life. Another is just style. It looks more like a regular watch, And also, by the way, maybe price. This thing comes with this nice Milanese metal band, and it's a stainless steel case, all for $195, which, as far as smartwatches go, that's about as low of a price as you get. So it's got an e-ink display here, and you can actually you can change the watch face. You could change the complications as well. All that's done in the app because obviously it's not a touchscreen. So we can go through here. These are all our customization options, right? So we can change stuff around, change this to our wellness dashboard and stuff like that. Oh God. Permissions. All right, so continuing on, we change the settings here. Looks like there's my faces. Okay, so here's a few options that we can. We could download designs from the gallery. We're not gonna do that, but got to go back in. All right, it's only coming with 2 faces right now, so we can just say, there's. All right. So we could go orbit, and that should just apply to failed to load data. All right, so all right, now we apply to the watch. Yeah, so this is actually a beta version. Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is actually a beta version of the app. Remember, Skagen has not made a hybrid smartwatch before. They made a bunch of Wear OS watches, but this is the first hybrid one. So this is all kind of new. There might be some bugs in the app, but remember, this doesn't ship for another couple weeks. It's going to be fine by the time it actually comes out. You can do challenges, right? So you could do that with other people that have similar products. I don't know if they work with all, they work against all Fossil users and stuff like that. It would be really cool if they do, but that's something to check out. Then obviously here's where you can find all your fitness information because, again, not a smartwatch. I mean, not a digital LCD screen, or usually AMOLED. Anyway, I digress. Not your regular smartwatch where you can scroll through a menu and look at all your stuff. So instead, you can use the app to view the information that you need to see. We do have, see, there's notifications you're going to get, and notice how the hands on the watch are moved. That's also something that you can do if you raise it. I don't know if it'll work if I'm not wearing it. If you raise it while you're wearing it, it will actually move the hands out of the way so that you can see the screen. That's a common hybrid watch feature. It moves the hands, and then it lets you do that. So there's a calendar, some other information. I press that top button there. We can press the middle one to, maybe not. Maybe I gotta press the top button again to bring us back home. I don't know. Let's try the bottom button now. Looks like we got some media playback there, so that's actually pretty cool that we can do that. I don't believe that we can store music on the device. It's not that type of thing, but that's it. And then, like I said, there's the heart rate sensor on the bottom, and then we have these two charging pins, which kind of disappoints me. Like I said, Fossil smartwatches have two rings on the bottom instead of just those two pins, and there's two pins on the charger, and then you can connect to any point on those rings, which is really nice because when you wear a smartwatch and you wear it regularly, especially something that's geared towards fitness, if you're trying to get into fitness, you're going to sweat underneath it, and these pins, they get dirty, and when they get dirty, charging it can become problematic. You might have to clean it from time to time. This is something that's easily solved with wireless charging. Fossil has their own solution, though, where they have those rings. So, these two dots getting dirty like that, that's one issue. But that when you have the entire surface area of two rings down there, it makes it a lot easier. And I'm disappointed that they didn't use it on this particular hybrid smartwatch. It took me a while to figure out how to actually get the strap to work here, but it hooks on, right, and then you kind of snap it into place there like that, and so that's it's I couldn't. Hopefully I can get this to work again, but I'm still not even sure how to adjust it. It's not like Apple Watch's Milanese loop, which is just magnetic. No, this is actually a fairly complicated clasp. So I actually had to Google how to do that because I'm not a watch guy. Yeah, normally this would actually be the part where I'd be wearing it for the rest of the video, but I can't figure out how to adjust this because this sits right here, and then I should be able to move this along the metal at some point. I'm sure there's something very obvious. I'm sure to people that are familiar with this kind of thing, they're like, "What an idiot!" And yeah, I know I'm an idiot, but hey, it is what it is, and I'll check it out. So guys, that's it, and I'll be wearing this for a couple weeks, and hopefully I won't have to charge it at all. That would be pretty cool. So stay tuned. I'm Rich from NeoWin. And by the way, speaking of the strap, it does have the regular Fossil straps that you can just swap out easy enough. So if you don't like the one that comes with it, you can use any one that you want, and it's nice and easy to just pop in and out. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for a review in a couple weeks. I'm Rich from NeoWin. Have a great night.